Today, we're diving deep into a question that's probably been burning in your mind. Can I actually use Expensify for free? Let's break it down. The free trial frenzy. First things first, Expensify does offer a free trial. This is your golden opportunity to test drive the platform, feel its vibe, and see if it's the right fit for you or your business. During this trial period, you can experience a good chunk of Expensify's features, from expense tracking to report generation. But, is free forever possible? Now, the million-dollar question, can you keep using Expensify without paying a dime? Well, not quite. The free trial is a limited-time offer. Once it ends, you'll need to subscribe to a paid plan to continue using the full suite of Expensify's features. Paid plans, a closer look. Expensify offers various paid plans, each tailored to different needs and budgets. These plans come with a range of features, including Smart Scan, automatically captures expense details from receipts. Corporate Cards, integrated corporate cards for seamless expense tracking. Advanced Reporting, detailed reports for better financial insights. Policy Enforcement, enforce expense policies to maintain control. Integrations, connect with other tools like QuickBooks, Salesforce, and more. So, is Expensify worth it? While Expensify isn't entirely free, it's a powerful tool that can save you time and money, especially for businesses of all sizes. By automating expense tracking, simplifying reporting, and streamlining workflows, Expensify can significantly improve your financial management. If you're looking for a free, long-term solution for expense management, Expensify might not be the perfect fit. However, if you're willing to invest in a premium tool that can boost your productivity and accuracy, Expensify is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.